Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Maybelline Fano. I am 28 years old. I live in Barangay La Paz, Hamindan, Capiz. I am single. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the firstborn in the family. I graduated for 2 years with a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Food Technology at Capiz State University main campus.
Okay, thank you. And do you have work experience abroad before?
Yes, sir. I work in Doha, Qatar for 3 years. They are couples with twin kids, 4 years old. My main duties are taking care of the kids and doing all the cleaning, washing, and cooking.
Okay. Are you the one who do the laundry and ironing of clothes?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
As a worker, I am hardworking and I can manage my time properly.
Okay, and are you a happy person?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir. Only me.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
And did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
I can sing a nursery song. It is I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart, so clean and bright. Left hand so clean, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the kids, elderly, or other helper?
Yes, sir.
And are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
And is it okay with you if you don't have day off but employer will pay you?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
And would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up? Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a full consent to your family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
And can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. If you choose me as a domestic helper, I promise to finish my contract and I can extend if needed. I am hardworking and I can do multitasking if needed, and I can do the task that you are giving to me.
Okay, and can you promise to treat your employer's children as your own child?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.